Folks, that's my old Royal Typewriter. I can't believe it. I guess my brother unearthed it. Check it out. Check the sides here. That's glass. You can look in here and see the workings of the thing. Let's see if I can show you. Well, yep, you can see the underside of it. This is a great typewriter. My mother gave it to me when I was about 11, and I wrote a few stories on it. Listen to this. That's how they're supposed to sound. What a great thing this was. And if it's not the exact one I had, although I think it is, it's certainly a marvelous little instrument. And there's a cover for it. Wow. The Royal Typewriter. This is how real writers write.